Knowing exactly who worked how long on which job is the difference between guessing your labour cost and knowing it. Open your project, site management, then time. Entering time is dead simple, and there's no guessing about how. Workers clock in and out live on their phones, trades submit from their own portal, or you add it manually, like this. Manual entry. Pick Sam, 7 till 5:30, this Arvo. Half an hour break, his rate, and a note about what the time was for. Add it, and it's on the job. Then you do the controlling bit. Review and approve. Nothing gets paid on an unchecked claim. You sign off the hours that are right and query the ones that aren't. And the hours don't stop here. Export the approved time as a CSV for your bookkeeper in 2 clicks. Or, with Xero connected under Settings and Integrations, approved timesheets sync across as a draft pay run, and your labour lands against the job in your accounts. QuickBooks and other systems connect the same way. No rekeying hours on a Sunday night. Labour, usually your biggest and slipperiest cost, is now tracked against the actual job, approved by you, and flowing into your accounts. Accurate hours in, accurate costs out. Next up, who on your team sees what?